investigate the tornado. We came to investigate the tornado. We came to investigate the tornado.
Yeah, Toad. Yeah, Toad. Yeah, Toad. Yeah, Toad. Tell us what happened to you out here. Tell us what happened to you out here. Tell us what happened to you out here. Tell us what happened to you out here.
Yeah, we just want all the facts.
Did you see or hear anything? Did you see or hear anything? See or hear anything?
Gee, Tommy, ever since the tornado, we've been trying to find a kid who got lost.
Roger, it's awful. We may never see him again.
Yeah.
Yeah, Toad. Tell us what happened to you out here.
Oh, Roger, it's awful. We may never see him again.